The holidays are here, so let's enjoy it with fruits and veggies and taking steps to love ourselves. Gotta get ready for the holidays. Remember, my motto is you have to nourish the mind, body, and soul. So what better way to do that than having a warm apple berry crisp. So I hope you guys are getting ready for your holiday. Keeping it simple, yet fun. Remembering all the things that we can be thankful for. It's even about giving thanks for living in this country. That we've been blessed to be able to live here. This is the cherry berry and kale mix. So we'll add that in after we make our filling. So 3 cups of oats. So that's 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then about a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Depends on how much you like nutmeg or not. Some people love it, some people don't. I actually do. I even got this cute little nutmeg grater. So I'm going to use about a half a cup of brown sugar. And put a little oil in there so it can get crisp. So I'm going to take a greased baking pan. Just put a teeny bit on the bottom. It's just a basic bit of a crunch on the bottom. Then I'm going to line up the apples. I'll put some frozen berries on top. And of course, as a dietitian, I have to experiment because that's what I do. This happens to have a little kale in it. So I want to see if it works, mix it up a little bit. So we're going to try it like this. And then I'm going to pour this on top. So it pretty much covers the fruit. You can still have a nice sweet crunchy top, but you're still having a lot of fruits full of good stuff, full of nutrition. So we have to nourish the body, mind, and the soul. So if you don't have a dessert, you're not nourishing this soul. Now it's out of the oven, and I'm going to try this delicious crisp, and it is delicious. A little sweet, but we can't taste the kale, and we're getting a lot of fruit and fiber. Delicious. See the recipe below. Thanks for watching.